Every time you get in the car,
let me turn y'all off because she's showing up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, y'all, it's been a minute and we're already in the month of March. It is officially spring, and y'all know what that means. It's spring. It also means that it's getting warmer outside and it's almost time to put our little sandals on. So today we are going to get these feet did, honey. Okay, get it done, because don't judge me. Come a little closer. We ain't been to the nail shop to get our feet done. Ooh, what was the last time we got our feet done? I think July of last year, or 2024. So that's a long time ago. Don't judge me. Now, I have, been clipping them down, but I haven't been professionally to the shop to get them done. So today we're gonna make sure that happens. Okay? Yeah, baby, I can't wait to get braids or sew in something. I'm so tired of rocking a bun, a twist, a whoop-de-whoop. I'm just tired of it, and I want to get it done. So we can't tackle this today, but we're gonna tackle these toes. So come along the journey as we go to the nail shop.
I did. What you say? I said, this all you do?
She judging me, y'all. You want to be a part of the vlog?
No, I want to be part of the vlog. Girl, what's wrong with you?
You can be a part of the vlog. Well, yeah, what?
Where the grease at?
Oh.
Feel dry.
You want to get a little bit? Take a little bit, or we gonna charge you. It costs thousands of dollars. Dang! Let me see. Look at that. Look at all that she used. I'm gonna tell her I got that.
Oh, I'm looking.
I
had to get out, take my hat off.
No. Ma, you want to be a part of my vlog?
No, I do not want to be a part
of
my
yes.
vlog. No.
Oh! They can hear you.
They can hear you too.
They can hear you. Oh, it's going on YouTube.
No.
Say yes.
No, thank you.
All right. You already on one of them, so.
That's one of them. That's enough right there.
You not even on the one that I posted. No, that was TikTok.
What about the cookie?
Yeah, that was TikTok and Facebook, I think.
The big ass cookie?
The big A bite.
I look good.
Let me cut this car, save some gas, because we need to go to the gas station.
We're
going to be pushing.
Gotta get the prayer.
We got a long way.
Pray when I got here. No, what you finna do? You gonna put gas on my side?
Tell me on your side.
Yeah. Now I already asked for it already.
You even know how much gas I had.
It don't matter, because every time you get your car, that's all you know. I'm gonna be pushing my car. Everywhere I'm gonna be pushing my car. Every time you get in the car, I'm gonna be
Let me turn y'all off, because she's showing up.
And then you gonna be walking.
I don't like that.
No.
Let me cut y'all off. I'll be back.
That's what you be doing.
Let me be a part of the vlog show. Oh, she is something else. So, I've had this. I had for quite some time. I'm doing a product review. So I got this. Y'all is on the tripod, but we want to put y'all on here. So that way it can stay on my dashboard. And out of there, somebody walking out. Oh, that's his guy. So I guess this part they go on the dashboard. Okay. That's supposed to be a 360 rotation. Yeah. Then we can put y'all like this. We're gonna do a little TikTok, we put y'all like that. We're gonna do a little vlog. This better work. Cause I'm not bad, not another thing. You hear me? I should have read the directions. Nope. There we go. Ooh, we gotta put a little elbow in it. Put this on the dashboard like that. And we can rotate it like that. Ma, can you hold the vlog camera? You ain't gonna be in it. I want to sit off to the side. What the heck? Yes. And then I can still charge if I need to be charged in it. It took a little bit to figure out. True. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here's my mom. Say hi. Ma, this is not recording. I'm recording on this. You ready? Because you're about to get the car.
Okay, come on.
Ma, say hey.
Hey to the long ball.
Bye, hey to the long ball.
That's what you said. You said say hi to the long ball.
I said say hi to the vlog, Ma.
To the blog?
Yeah.
Hi to the blog, Ma.
Yep. That's what you guys are getting. Yeah. Hello. I have an appointment with Jenny.
Jenny?
Mm-hmm.
Jessica?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You want to do that first?
Yeah, we already know what color we want. White, and then she getting the red.
Okay.
Yeah, she know the numbers already.
Okay.
Thank you.
So what's your purpose?
Look at my hair. My hair like different type of browns. That's not right there. There she go. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good to yourself?
Good, good. So, you got pick out a color?
White.
White, how about you? Red?
I'm looking for the number that she normally get. I got it on my
okay.
phone.
Let me set up the water for both you.
Okay, thank you. Oh,
Yeah, you can soak your foot.
okay. I'm gonna go to your buddies. Ooh, that feels good. Let's see, do I want to get my usual white color? Or do I want to switch it up? Oh, the pastel colors are cute. Like lighter colors. Like when I do pinks, I do like light. This is cute. And this is the color my mama get. See, I don't like dark colors on my hands or feet. And she cut them all the way down. And Omar, when she said you gotta go to work, Omar was sweet. And she was in there with this drill like this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
My mama judged me. Because my nail tip just said I can wear sandals. Look, you see her? you can put on the sandals, didn't I?
I know that.
Mm-hmm.